April is Autism Awareness Month, and we want to make sure that parents and the community members and just everyone around knows about autism spectrum disorder. And Mrs. Q wanted to promote it within our school community. This is something that she has done in the past at some of the other schools that she's been a part of, and she really wanted to just bring the whole school together. And she wanted to plan this activity where she made a human ribbon representing autism spectrum disorder.
I'm very excited with this activity because Suncos at this moment have 277 students in ESE program. We have a great team in Suncos Elementary. We work very hard with the students because we love this population. And I'm very excited because these students need the inclusion.
I feel that the students were really excited about this activity, especially our ESE students, and to bring Gen Ed students in with it as well. It was really great to see all of our students come together as a community and celebrate each other and the diversity that we have here at Suncoast Elementary School.